Now I go center it. So center is in move. Really did nothing but go to auto supports because I don't want to do it myself. It's boring. And then let's go to start slicing. We need a brim. The reason I'm using a brim is because the build has very little surface area to the build has very little surface area to the build plate, so it's just gonna fail and print a mess. You can see the progress bar right here. And then let's go to slice preview. See, it's gonna take 1 hour and 23 minutes. So brim it's 1 hour and 18 minutes. So I just need to get my USB. So I just need to get my USB, and it's downstairs. I'll go ahead and mute myself. I'll just take a few seconds to go downstairs, maybe more, but okay. And I have my USB, and yeah. So in a second, I'll show you how to actually just take this and go to the printer and show you another way, which I like most. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe and my video so you see what I have next. I will be making a new video. I'm not going to tell you guys. It's a secret. And yeah, I'll just switch to a camera and then show you what I mean by USB. If you know already, then just skip this part. And I'll just pause the recording and to the camera. No more of this. This is on-screen recording. Now I'm moving to the camera. Okay? This is my printer. Guess how big it is. It isn't how tiny you think it is. It's bigger. I know it's making a little noise if you can hear it, but it's big. I mean, the build plate's not big. It's actually really big. It's like 40 by 30 by... No, 30 by 30 by 40 centimeters. I know you think it's not that big, but in reality, it is that big. So this is my new filament, which is black. So we go and stick in the USB right here. See, the screen is updating. You'll see right there. That's it. Let's go to build. Why is it not available? It is in there. Let's go to settings. It might be the settings which is blocking it. So, let's see. See. It's not in here, so let me just pause the video. So I can't seem to get this machine to work. I disabled it. It's just too used to doing this. So basically, I just show you from here. You click build, but this is not available. So it's in there. I try reloading it. It's in there. It says not available still because I disabled that. It's from. But later it will work. It will work. I'm sure it will. If I disable it, I see. This is a 0.4 nozzle. So basically you just click this, then you go to your file, click it, and press play. It'll start printing. Here's my thing. So let's go send it to the printer. I'll update. Let's go to connect machine. Really? And just 1 minute for me and a few seconds for you. So it has officially been 1 minute. Let's go restart it. So I have got it working. So the problem was that the printer wasn't connected. Let's press OK. Streaming the file. I'll go prove it to you when it's done. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned and please subscribe.